channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my dream bag. I mean, my holy grail bag that I have yearned for years. I have saved for this bag. I have wanted it for so long, and I was finally lucky enough to get it. I am so excited. So what I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to unbox the bag, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit about my journey. I'm going to tell you whether or not I opted to go pre-love for this bag or whether or not I decided to go for the boutique, and I will tell you why. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see me unbox my dream bag, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I am just over the moon. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I just got back from vacation last week. I've actually had this bag for about 2 weeks and I have not unboxed it. This is going to be a true unboxing, but I wanted to wait and do it with you guys so we could kind of experience the emotions together. Like I said, this is a bag I've wanted for so long. You guys know that I am a little bit of a handbag collector. These luxury handbags are just kind of my interest. This is a bag I've been saving for. From one hardworking mom to another, if you really want something, you can achieve it. You certainly can, and I'm so excited. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to unbox the bag so you can first see the bag that I did get, and then I will kind of tell you the story behind it. Okay guys, so this is a huge bag, so I actually lowered the camera a little bit because I wanted you guys to be able to experience the unboxing with me. So it comes in this beautiful bag, and like I said, after I unbox it, I will kind of go into it, but I want to show you what it is first. It comes with the beautiful Chanel ribbon. Here's the box. Here is the beautiful Chanel box that it comes packaged in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this right here is the receipt. And it comes with this beautiful white camellia flower. And let me go ahead. And oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Okay. In there. Here is the box that it comes in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You can see the Chanel sticker right there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am like so excited. I can't even tell you. Oh my goodness. And as you can tell, it is a classic flap because it does come in the white dust bag. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. And here is all of the Chanel paperwork. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Here is the dust bag to reveal my brand new, oh my god, I can't even believe it, the Chanel. Oh, it's so pretty. The Chanel Jumbo in the caviar with the gold hardware. You guys, look at this bag. Is she not the most beautiful thing ever? I just have to take a minute because I am just so, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Okay, it has the fabric on it, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the lock right here. It still has the stickers on it. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. Take the felt off. And just a tip, my essay was saying that when you do store this bag, it's good to keep the felt. Oh my gosh, and this is the double flap. And you can see it has a pocket right here. Still has all the paper in it. It smells so nice and fresh. Oh my gosh, there's nothing like that smell. You can see there's a pocket here. It has the beautiful burgundy interior. And as I stated, it is a double flap. And then on the back, it does have the beautiful Mona Lisa pocket. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is just so stunning. I'm so over the moon excited. So now let me go ahead and let me adjust the camera and we will kind of talk. Did I go pre-loved? Did I go boutique, and why? Okay, you guys, so here she is. I am just so over the moon excited. I'm sorry if I'm a little like flabbergasted and kind of all over the place in this video. I just still can't believe that I have this bag. This is a bag that I have wanted for so long. So now here's the deal. So you guys know I've been wanting the jumbo for a really long time, and I was torn as to whether or not I wanted to get it pre-loved with the single flap or if I wanted to buy it brand new from the boutique. I went back and forth. I took polls. I don't know. I really liked the idea of the single flap. However, I was seeing so many single flap bags and I'm reading so many reviews that a lot of them over time will lose their structure and it'll become pointy. Like you see how this one, it just looks really nice and structured. Now I have seen a lot of single flap bags that are structured, but I just thought to myself, you know what, if I'm gonna get a jumbo, one of the things that I love about the jumbo is the structure. And I just don't wanna take the chance of possibly losing that structure. That was the first thing. So I knew I wanted to get the jumbo in the double flap. And then I was like, well, do I want to go pre-loved or do I want to go in the boutique? And honestly, guys, yes, going pre-loved, you can save a little bit of money. But in my mind, I thought, you know what, if I'm going to save for this bag, I want to go for the full boutique experience. Plus, the neat thing about Chanel now is they're offering a 5-year warranty in case anything, you know, goes wrong with the bag. So I'm really, really excited about that. So I did opt to go to the boutique, and I have to tell you the story. So you guys know a while back I had a day off and I decided to go to the mall, and I went into the Chanel store and they had the jumbo, and I was like, oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting them to have the jumbo. And I tried it on. I'll insert a picture so you can see, and I fell in love with it. I absolutely fell in love with it. And the lady said, well, you know, we usually don't have these. Do you want to get it? But I didn't want to get it at that point because I didn't have the money saved up. And one thing I always tell you guys, you should never buy a bag unless you have the money. You want to save it up. So I knew at that moment in time that I was in love with this bag, and it was something I truly, truly wanted, and I wanted to work hard for it. So I literally put everything I've made from YouTube, you know, I have just been saving and saving and saving until I was finally at the point where I saved up enough money for this bag, and I was like, you know what, now is the time. So I was all ready to buy the bag. I had another day off. I went to the Chanel boutique and I spoke to a sales associate. Her name was Ju. She was absolutely wonderful to deal with. She really, really was. And I said, do you have the jumbo? And she said, you know what, we actually don't have any right now. I think we're supposed to be getting 2 in, but I'm not sure. So I said, okay. I said, well, you know, can you let me know? So she initially had thought that both had sold. And in my mind, I'm like, oh gosh, it's just not meant to be. So she texted me and she said, guess what? I found one. So she was able to find it for me. And in my mind, I said, you know what? It is meant to be. So I was like, yes, I will take it. And so she was just so sweet because I was texting with her back and forth. She, you know, got back to me very quickly. And I feel like if you're going to have the boutique experience, you want to work with a sales associate who's really nice and helpful and friendly, and they get back to you. And she was just amazing. And let me tell you what made her even better. So I ordered the bag and I didn't want to have the bag shipped. I wanted to go and I wanted to pick it up. So I went to the mall and there was a line to get into Chanel, and I told her when I was coming, and I didn't have to wait when I got there, and she took me upstairs and I was able to look at it before she boxed it up just to make sure I was okay with it. And she just treated me like so kindly. She was very personable, and I feel like it's really hard to find sales associates who are like that, and she is just so great. So I found a great one at Chanel, and then I have a really good one at Louis Vuitton as well. So yeah, she was great. So I am just over the moon about this bag. You guys know that I do have the Chanel medium classic flap in the lambskin. And that one I use for date night. So the reason I wanted the jumbo is I wanted to get a bag that I could kind of wear, you know, kind of with anything, you know, wear it very casual. And I wanted a bag that was a little fuss free. And because of the caviar, I know it's going to be very, very fuss free. You guys know that I love back pockets, and it has this beautiful Mona Lisa pocket in which I can put my phone in. Now, don't get me wrong, you guys. I took a poll on Instagram. I went back and forth. I reached out to people, just going back and forth. What do I do? Do I buy from the boutique, even though the Chanel price increases are crazy? And yes, they are crazy. I can't believe I paid what I paid for this bag, but you know what? It's very meaningful to me. It means something. I worked hard for this bag. I saved for this bag. I bought it all on my own. And I know I've mentioned that before, but you know, when you work hard for something and you're able to achieve it and you're able to get it, it just is very, very meaningful. It really, really is. So I'm just so excited about this. I wanted to have the full boutique experience, and when I found that Chanel was offering the 5-year warranty, that kind of put the nail in the coffin for me that I wanted to go through the boutique. Now, I do really love the single flap, but you guys know in the store, Chanel, they don't make the single flap anymore. I know a lot of people that do have the single flap and their bags are beautiful, but I knew that if I wanted even a single flap that was in really, really good condition, like perfect condition, I was really gonna have to hunt for it. And I just liked the idea of going in, buying from the boutique, getting exactly what I wanted. The reason I fell in love with this bag is because of the structure. Oh, I just love it. So let me break it down a little more for you. So again, it is in the beautiful caviar leather. It has the gold hardware. Now this is not 24 karat gold, but the bag has 2 grommets and 2 grommets there. And on the single flap, it has 1 and the chain goes all the way through. This one, the chain kind of stops since there is the flap underneath. But you can see the back, the beautiful, actually I guess I could go ahead and take the sticker off this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So, so pretty. I probably should have left it on, but I'm gonna take it off now, you guys. I'm gonna do it. Okay, so you can see the beautiful turn lock closure, which, oh my gosh, that's what Chanel is known for. Take a look at this beautiful chain. Of course, I'm someone, I wear more silver than gold, but I knew that I wanted gold in this one because there's just something about the combination of the caviar and the gold. It just looks so beautiful. So you open this up and it is a double flap. It has this little pocket right here. It goes up this way, just where you can see where the tip of my finger is. It has a double flap, which I like in the back. There's a lot of space right here if you want to put your phone. Here is the double flap. This one is made in France, as you can see. It has the pretty burgundy interior. There's another compartment here for your phone, so it's really, really spacious bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am just so in love. Look at the sides, you can see the bottom. And you might recall too, you guys know, not only was this bag on my wish list, but I also really wanted the Chanel mini square in the caviar. Now that one they don't make anymore, but one of my lovely subscribers, while I was saving for this, I don't know what it is with that mini square, guys. I swear I'm not meant to get it because I was on a mission saving for this bag. I want to say I was like 3/4 of the way there. And one of my lovely subscribers, she messaged me on Instagram. She was like, isn't this the bag that you're looking for? And Fashion File had the exact bag I wanted, and it was actually for like a reasonable price. But in my mind, I was like, well, even though I want that one, I've been saving for this one. And I was worried that if I took the plunge and got that one, I would have had to start all over with this one. And this is the bag I've been thinking about. This is the one that I think I'm going to use quite a bit. So that is now like the 3rd or 4th time that I have been able to get that bag, and it didn't work out for whatever reason. So I'm kind of bummed that that didn't work out, but it sold very quickly. So someone is probably very happy with that bag right now. But I am so just over the moon with this jumbo. It is so beautiful. And I want to give a special thank you to you guys for all of your advice, because I had a lot of you saying, go the boutique route, you know, buy, you know, new, you've been saving for it. And not only that, there are a lot of pre-loved bags that are in excellent condition, but sometimes it's hard when you're like looking online and you can't see it firsthand. And because this was my dream bag, I just really wanted to go to the boutique and have the full experience, get the warranty, make sure that it was brand new, because whereas there are a lot of people that do take care of their bags, there are also a lot of people that don't. And you know, I just knew that I wanted to buy from the boutique, and I'm so glad I did, because I just love the structure of this bag. It's so beautiful. So now I want to go ahead, let me do a couple mod shots and I'll show you how it fits on my frame. Okay guys, so here is the bag. I am about 5'3", so you can wear this bag over the shoulder. Oh, I just love it. I love that sound. You can wear it crossbody, and I think it looks cute crossbody too. Love it. Oh my gosh. Or if you don't want to wear it crossbody, you can also opt to wear it as a long shoulder bag as well. And like I said, I am 5'3". I am going to, I'll pretty much wear it like this, like as a short shoulder. But what do you think? I just love it. I love the structure. I want to give you guys another up close view of it. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay guys, there you have it. This is my Chanel dream bag, like my dream bag unboxing. I am so over the moon. I want to give a special thank you again to Ju. She was my lovely sales associate. You were so helpful and I appreciate it so much. You know, because of you, you were able to help me find my dream bag. And thank you to all of my lovely subscribers for giving me all of your advice on it. Even though I paid a little extra to go to the boutique, I do have the 5-year warranty, and I am just so over the moon. I really, really am. I just love the structure. It's absolutely beautiful. So stay tuned. You know that I will be doing videos on this. I will do comparison videos once I've had it for a while. I will probably do a what's in my bag. I know you guys like to see what fits, so stay tuned. So thank you guys again for joining me. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Wish me the best of luck.